Hey, you guys already know Nikki Victorious here for Victorious Vibez. Impy Skimpy, you don't know what you say. King Black Reaction.
Impy Skimpy. Victorious creation, you know, big up yourself, you know.
Big up yourself.
You don't know, so the party, you know, normally, you know, Black Reaction in the east side.
Yeah.
Been a long time, you know.
I know.
You know, so we love and Scarborough. So Scarborough. We're there. It's outer sight, outer mind. But in your sight, you know. Look good.
Hey, you don't know. Big up and respect yourself. You have been in the game for so long. How many years have you been DJing? Because I know from 1997, 96, me I come a party. And I deal with Black Reaction. So how long now?
Black Reaction debuted from 1993.
93.
I'm a giant at 94.
Okay.
And it's still a reign.
And
so
it's still going.
big up to the people who show Black Reaction love.
Yes, and
the
support.
People support me all the while.
Yes.
We now start pushing fire. Hey, we can plug something.
Yes, plug
World Bash, August 23rd. Black Reaction representing Canada. Victorious, you did it in a creation. You're going to do it in a big segment.
I'll make sure I get the contact and get your contact. We'll stay in contact and do some business.
Impy Skimpy. You know that girl in a place, you know, we're there.
You don't know. Yes, you guys don't know Victorious Vibez. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure. So what is your Instagram or anything if anybody wants to follow and they don't know?
Black Reaction Sound on Instagram. Or you can follow Mista Blackz Reaction on Instagram or Super K on Instagram.
Hey, you guys heard it here. You guys heard it here. Big up yourself.